Are you looking for the best SATA cables? In this video we will look at some of the best SATA cables. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Ketawa SATA cable. Ketawa offers a range of products that helps in data transmission. Using high-quality materials, the cables made by Ketawa offer improved efficiency. The Ketawa SATA cable uses high-quality copper wire. It enhances the data transmission over the 15.5-inch length of the cable without any signal loss. It comes in two different configurations. One configuration has straight connectors on both sides of the cable. Other configurations have 90-degree connector and straight connector combinations. This helps in using the cables for different applications based on space limitations. Being a SATA 3 cable, it can deliver a data transfer speed of 6 gigabits per second. The cables are downward compatible and can be used with SATA 1 and 2 connector drives. The plugs are locked by the latch to ensure no movement of the cable. The pack also includes a 7.9-inch power cable. It has a 15-pin connector and splits into two cables, powering two different drives. A 4-pin Monoprice cable is also provided to connect a SATA power adapter. 5-inch long cable with high-quality copper wires. Two SATA 3 cables with a data transfer rate of 6 gigabits per second. Two configurations for connectors, 90-degree to straight and straight to straight connectors. The 15-pin power cable of 7.9-inch length. 4-pin Monoprice to SATA connector cable. Connectors are prone to damage if not handled carefully. Number 4. SABRENT SATA cable. SABRENT is one of the leading electronics accessories manufacturers. It offers durable products that qualify for the standard quality level. It has a development process that works side by side with innovation, resulting in a creative product range. The SABRENT SATA cable has straight connectors at both ends. It has a male-to-female connector setup. It is a SATA 3 cable that is capable of transmitting data at 6 gigabits per second speed. The 20-inch long cable is made up of high-quality conducting wires that help in lossless data transmission. The cable is backward compatible and easily works with previous versions of SATA connectors. The connectors have a metal latch that locks the connectors with the motherboard and drives. It keeps the cable steady in transportation or under vibrations. The cable is compatible with HDDs, SSDs, optical drives, and other host controllers. Since 3 cables come in a single pack, a spare cable becomes easily available. 20-inch cable with high-quality copper wires. SATA 3 version capable of 6 gigabits per second data transfer rate. Compatible with SSD, HDD, optical drives, and host controllers. Straight connector plugs. Metal latches for secure locking if the connectors. 3 cables in a pack. This data cable does not supply power. Number 3. Monoprice SATA cable. Monoprice has been in the electronic accessories market for over 2 decades now. It has a good reputation for providing affordable products with uncompromised quality. The Monoprice SATA cable is one of the most affordable options on the list. It is a Revision 3 SATA cable. This means it is capable of transmitting data between the motherboard and the drives at a speed of 6 gigabits per second. The cable has one connector plug at a 90-degree angle and the other connector is a straight one. This helps in a male-to-male connection even in tight space conditions. The 18-inch length of the cable takes care of cable management. The cable is also backward compatible and works fine with SATA 1 and 2 versions. The cable has a locking latch at both ends to tightly secure the connection. It does not loosen the connection even when transporting. This cable uses high-quality materials that automatically increase its durability. 18-inch long cable. SATA 3 version with 6 gigabits per second transfer rate. 90-degree connector plug at one end and straight connector plug on the other end. Latch clip to lock the connectors. Compatible with tablets. Only one cable comes in the pack. Number 2. Cable Matters SATA cable. Cable Matters manufactures network solutions and data management products. It has a unique design process that favors easy use in real-life applications. The quality offered by Cable Matters is a result of extensive testing of its products. The Cable Matters SATA cable follows a unique design language. The cable has a 90-degree connector to mate with the motherboard and the storage drives. This helps in connecting the motherboard and drives even in limited space. This cable is a Category 3 cable that delivers a data transmission rate of 6 gigabits per second. It is also backward compatible with previous versions of SATA 1, 2, and 3 drives. The 18-inch long cable takes care of connecting the motherboard and drives without any signal disruption. The cable profile is low and thin, making cable management easy. The connector has a grip surface and houses 7 copper pins that allow a higher data transmission rate. The stainless steel clips tightly secure the connection even when transporting. The cable is compatible with 2.5-inch SSDs, 3.5-inch HDDs, RAID controllers, and optical DVD drives. SATA 3 cable with 6 gigabits per second data transfer speed. 18-inch long thin profile cable. 90-degree connector with 7 copper pins. Stainless steel latching clips for locking the connectors. 3 cable pack. The profile of the connector might leave little space for adjacent plugs. Number 1. BENFEI SATA cable. The first product on the list comes from BENFEI. BENFEI is a manufacturer of computer-related accessories. Its products range from Ethernet cables and audio solutions to SATA cables. It adopts unique designs which help in saving space. The BENFEI SATA cable offers an easy connection between the motherboard and internal storage drives. It is a Category 3 cable which is faster than the SATA 2 and SATA 1 versions. The data transmission speed of 6 gigabits per second makes sure to handle large data quickly. The cable has a male-to-male connector with standard 7 pins. The connector comes in a 180 to 180 degree configuration, connecting it to the motherboard easily. The 18-inch length of the cable keeps any interference away and helps in cable management. The cable has a stainless steel clip to secure the cable tightly with the drive connectors. It is compatible with the RAID controller host card and hence compatible with 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5-inch HDDs. Category 3 cable with a data transmission rate of 6 gigabits per second. 18-inch long cable. Standard male connector with 7 pins. 180 to 180 degree cable connector. Stainless steel locking latch. Compatible with 2.5-inch SSDs and 3.5-inch HDDs. Set of 3 cables. This data cable does not provide power to the connected hard drives.